Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw this funny and cool emoji. What we will need is a marker and any object with a circular shape. If you can't find an object, you can ask a trusted adult for help. I will be using a teacup small plate. If you have a compass, feel free to use it, but always have an adult next to you when using a sharp item. First, we're going to place our circular object on our A4 piece of paper, and we will draw its shape with a marker. Make sure to hold it down. That's it, let's go round the plate and the circle is complete. I'm using a black marker, but you guys can choose any color you like. Next, we're going to add some features. To draw a pair of sunglasses, I will start by drawing two arched lines, just where the eyebrows would be. That will be the top of our sunglasses. 1 and 2. Next, I will draw a little line going down from the right eye corner and the left eye corner. I will now go slightly inwards on both sides to start giving shape to our pair of glasses. Now it's time to close the glasses in by drawing the line of the lenses, going down in a wide U shape. Right, and left. We can now add some inside lines to create a realistic effect. Feel free to decorate as you wish. Let's now close the gap between the eyebrows. And now give your emoji a unique smile. It's very easy. Just look at yourself in the mirror and give it your best smile. That's it! You can now draw it. Well done! Now it's time to color in our emoji. Let's choose our favorite colors. I will be choosing the following colors, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. Use your imagination. I will be outlining my emoji with the orange marker. And now I will fill it in with some bright yellow. For these sunglasses, I've decided to use black. And I will be using dark grey for the lenses. We have now drawn our cool emoji. Thank you everyone, I hope you enjoyed it, and remember as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Joyce. Wow, this must have been a very tricky one. Great job, Joyce. I love how you chose the yellow color for the body of your caterpillar. Happy and bright. Well done, Joyce. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!